Punjab often faces floods not only because of heavy rainfall in Himachal but also due to unplanned construction on river platforms and floodplains. A major reason is the construction of colonies, roads, and industries on rivers platforms of Satluj, Beas, and Ravi rivers. These constructions blocks the natural drainage channels. Sand mining and slope cutting reduces river depth, causing overflow. Deforestation in hilly catchments increase silt and water rush downstream. Encroachment on wetlands and low-lying areas removes natural water buffers. Impacts are floodwaters spread into villages and agricultural lands. Standing crops like paddy and maize are destroyed, hitting farmers badly. Damage to houses, bridges, and roads disturbs normal life. The lesson is clear: protecting floodplains, restoring wetlands, and regulating construction is the only sustainable way to safeguard Punjab from recurring floods. Thank you and follow for more videos.